Hello viewers, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to install Tubi TV on your Android TV without using Play Store. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. Now on your Android TV, go to your downloader application. And if you don't have it, check the description of this video. There is a link which will help you to download the downloader application on your Android TV. Here is mine. After downloading, install it and type this code 338388 453. Then you click on go. After clicking on go, it will redirect you to this web page, which will help you to download it automatically into your Android TV. As you can see, it's downloading. Please, you should always be patient for it to download fully. After downloading, the installation option will pop up. Then you click on it and install it on your Android TV. That's all.